Hi, welcome to my garden and greenhouse talk. We're going to start a new segment, product review. Now I get asked from time to time to review products. There's quite a few of them that I think none of us would have any interest in. But once in a while I come across something that might bring some value to us, something I might be shopping for, something you might be shopping for. Sometimes I highlight new things that I purchased that I think you might be interested in, that might bring you some value. And just recently I had a company reach out, and I've been kind of looking at a mini chainsaw. Now of course I have a big chainsaw, but it takes oil, it takes gas, it takes trying to get it started, and I'm not as young as I used to be. This little mini chainsaw, I run it through its paces for a week or so. I'm telling you, it's a nice addition to the tool case. Now my wife, she tried this, and she said I needed to actually tell you a little bit more about it. So I went ahead and trimmed some of the yard. Check out what this can do. Look how nice and easy that cuts right up against the rocks. No problem. Cleans that right up. Look at that. Look how nice and easy that is. Takes that all right out of there. When you can't get up against there with the lawnmower, and you just can't get the string trimmer running, this is awesome. And if you have a little stool, and you're working right here next to the garden cleaning it up, just nice, easy. Look how easy that takes that grass. Of course, wherever you have a corner and the lawnmower doesn't let you get in there, I've been complimented by many viewers that I'm giving away this information in the garden for free. I'm not asking you to buy anything. I'm just showing you what I'm using and telling you my opinion on it. Christmas is coming, and if you go through my Amazon store, I do get a little something for that, and that does help me out a little bit. But either way, what I show you in the garden, I think is valuable information that everybody should know. Thought folks might be interested. I never thought the channel would grow the way that the deep mulch garden is growing, and it's getting big enough. It's taking a little more of my time every day. So if you help me out a little bit, it wouldn't hurt my feelings at all. But right now, these are two products that I fully endorse, and I'm really happy that I have them to use. Wow, that's amazing. They're very handy around the house, they're very handy around the garden. And if you're interested, you might want to take a look. And from time to time, I'm going to go ahead and do a product review on something that I think might bring you value. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.